Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Intel Skull Canyon NUC6 Performance Kit NUC6i7KYK Business and Home and Gaming Mini PC Desktop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Home entertainment. 4K, the next evolution in high definition. It's changing entertainment and available with the latest Intel Next Unit of Computing, NUC. Intel Iris Pro graphics enables higher resolutions, meaning crisper lines and greater realism when watching TV and movies. With an HDMI port and a mini display port, both supporting 8-channel audio, it's easy to connect to the widest possible range of flat-screen, 4K displays, and surround sound configurations. Put simply, this is one device that's right at home in your living room. It's time to completely change the game by redefining what a mini gaming PC can do. Experience striking visuals in high resolution with high frame rates, and super immersive Ultra HD 4K gameplay. With an Intel Core i7 processor inside, you can play and experience immersive gaming like never before. An updated design based on the 6th generation Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Pro graphics means you get 30x better 3D graphics for higher resolution and faster frame rates. From editing images to rendering 4K video, the 6th generation Intel Core i7 processor with Intel Iris Pro graphics gives you maximum performance for anything you create. Thunderbolt 3 technology connects you up to 3 displays and allows you to ramp your graphics performance with external graphics cards. Or transfer your data to and from an external drive at an incredible 40 GB. That's 2x the video bandwidth and exactly what you need for working with large media files featuring high resolution, vibrant visuals. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.